your skin? Is it oily? If yes, then choose a gentle gel cleanser. If not, pick a cream-based one that suits your skin type and clean your face for up to 60 seconds for better results. Want balanced, glowing skin? This toner does just that. Restore your skin's pH balance and prime it for the next step. Try layering it 7 times with the 7 skin method or 3 times if you're short on time. Is your skin feeling dull? This ultra lightweight serum is the answer. Gently pat it into your skin and let the ingredients work their magic. Packed with brightening and balancing ingredients, it'll also exfoliate dead skin cells to reveal your inner glow. Don't forget to try the Korean beauty secret of lightly slapping your face for better absorption. Ready for some serious skin quenching? This moisturizer is like a tall glass of water for your face. With powerhouse ingredients like vitamin C and niacinamide, it's sure to hydrate, brighten, and reduce blemishes. Massage it in using upward and outward motions for the ultimate pampering experience. Your skin will be shouting thank you in no time. Is the sun ruining your skin game? This Purito Daily Go-To Sunscreen is weightless and perfect for protecting you from harmful UVA and UVB rays. Remember to use the 2-finger method or a quarter teaspoon of sunscreen. If your SPF is prone to white cast, apply little by little to avoid that. So put on some sunscreen and go enjoy the sunshine. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.